Do you want to know how you can change your subscription plan on Midjourney? If yes, then this video is for you. Hello and welcome to Tech AI. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can change your subscription plan on Midjourney. Go ahead and open Chrome or Edge browser on your PC. Go to the Google search bar to search for Midjourney. Now click on the first link which appears on your screen. It will take you to the official page of Midjourney. What you need to do next is log into your account. And you can see on the bottom left hand side your account. Go ahead and click on it and click Manage Subscription. What you need to do now is scroll a bit down and you can see the plans. Or else you can just click Change Plans, which is over here. And you can see there is yearly billing and monthly billing. If you take the yearly billing, it will be quite beneficial for you because there are some discounts. And then you can see that you can change your plan by clicking on this. You can see that if you click subscribe, you can change your plan. And if you want to confirm to change plan, go ahead and click confirm change. This way, you can change your plan quite easily. Let me show it to you again. Open midjourney.com, log into your account, click on these three dots on the bottom left hand corner of your screen, and then click Manage Subscription. Click on Change Plans, which is over here, and these are some of the plans. This is the current active plan of your account. To change it, go ahead and select the plan of your choice, click Subscribe, and then you can see that you can swap at the end of the subscription or you can swap immediately with proportion. After you choose it, click Next, click Confirm Change, and then your change will be there. So this is how you change your subscription plan on Midjourney. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and make sure you enjoy.